Good morning, children. Very healthy and sweet good morning to you all. I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and enjoying your online classes and regular attend it. Okay? Yes, children, as you all know that we are in chapter number 5 and our two videos are complete of explanation, and now we are in page number 42 and the question answers are going on here, which are dependent on the previous explanation. And the question is, why do you think they come to the flower? And who is they here? Yes, they is the honeybees. Okay, and find out. Yes, children, you all know that why the honeybees come to the flowers. Yes, the honeybees come to the flowers for sucking nectars, and nectar is a sweet juice. Yes, by this honeybees make the honeys. Okay, and honey is very helpful and very what you say that honey is very valuable sweet fluid which is used by many ways. Okay, and when honeybee fly there is a kind of sound. Can you try to copy the sound? Yes, children, have you heard the sound of honeybee? Which kind of sound is that? Yes, that is the sound is little bit heard like buzz and bee. Okay, so you have. So children, what is the sound is called by creating honeybees? That sound is buzz. So you have to write here buzz. And now in that paragraph there is given the journey of beekeeping of Anita, and let's start that paragraph. I completed my beekeeping course. Now Anita's beekeeping course was completed, but I did not have money to keep my own bees and start work. Yes, children, many people used to the honeybee keeping as a profession, as a business, but whenever anybody started her business, she or he will be needed money. But Anita had not any kind of money for starting her business of beekeeping, so she continued to teach little children, and with the time she could collect 5,000 rupees. Yes, in our previous video I taught you that Anita taught some little children for earning money, so she did not stop her tuition work uh, for earning money, and she collect 5,000 rupees, and with the help of this money she bought 2 boxes for keeping bees, and each box cost was 2,000 rupees. She purchased one box for 2,000 rupees, and she purchased 2 boxes. 2,000 into 2,000, 2,000 plus 2,000 equal to 4,000, and remaining 1,000 rupees she purchased some sugar for making syrup and medicine for take care of honeybees. So from 2,000 rupees she purchased one box, so 2 box cost is 4,000 rupees. She purchased 2 boxes from 4,000 rupees, and remaining 1,000 rupees she purchased some syrup and medicines for take care of honeybees. Yes, now children, we are in page number 43, so let's come on here. That was in September. By December, now the September and December months was going on. I had so many bees that I had to buy 2 more boxes. Now Anita kept so many honeybees in her 2 boxes, and I was still learning about beekeeping. But now Anita did not stop to learning the beekeeping. Many times the bees would sting me and my hands and my face would get swollen. Yes, children, have you any honeybee stung on your body, your hand, your face, on your feet? Yes, which kind of response occurred from the honeybee stung? Yes, on that body part where the honeybee sting will be swollen. Yes, so many of time whenever the honeybee sting on Anita's body, her body or body part would get swollen. It would pain a lot. Yes, whenever the honeybee sting on our body, lots of pain will be occurred. Okay, so obviously Anita's body would pain a lot. How could I complain to anybody? Yes, children, why Anita could not complain to anybody? Because it was her own choice to start the business of honey keeping. So I myself had decided to do this work because that was her own choice. So he had not complained to anyone. Okay, now children, two questions are given here depending on the paragraph. First question is, what do people in your area put on the part of the body where the bee had stung? Yes, children, whenever in your family or any family member stung by any honeybee, what would you do? Yes, many of time I think you have to apply lemon or salt on that area where the honeybee sting. The lemon and the salt gave too much relief on that part on the honeybee sting. Okay, that is the first aid which is given in mostly our homes. Draw a picture of honeybee in your notebook, color it and give it a name. Yes, children, in your EVS notebook, in the left page, without rule page, you have to make a diagram of a honeybee and give it your own name. Just like your pet, you have to give the name to your pets, just like Buzzy, Bee, Tinu, whatever you like. Okay, now the lychee trees come to flower in February. Mostly lychee trees flowering in February month. I put all 4 boxes near the lychee orchard. Now Anita purchased 2 more boxes. Now she had 4 boxes and she put her all 4 boxes on the lychee orchard on February month, and she got 12 kilogram of honey from each box, and Anita collect 12 kilogram honey from each box. So in all 4 boxes she had collected 12 4 jar 48 kilogram of honey. I sold this honey in the market, and now Anita started to selling honey in the market. This was my first earning from my bees. That honey was her first product which she sold on market, and from this she purchased 20 more boxes. 16 more boxes. Now Anita had 20 boxes. So children, what will be the total cost of Anita's 20 boxes? Yes, in previous paragraph I told you that what is the cost of one box? One box cost is 2000 rupees. So what is the cost of 20 boxes? 2000 multiplied by 20, and you have to write here the product of the both, and that is your answer. So do solve it, multiply by yourself. So that explanation is enough for today. We will meet on the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day, children.